Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan for those who are new to this page. Today is very exciting because I finally received my Amazon order, and I'm just gonna show you guys. It's quite big. Yeah. So for reference, I have it next to my face. The reason why I'm very excited about this order is because one of my resolutions for this year is to be able to make more content for YouTube. I did my research, went on Amazon and picked out some equipment that will help me create better quality YouTube videos without breaking the bank. And so if you would like to see what I got from Amazon, then definitely hit that like button below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's get started. Also, if you enjoy watching Amazon hauls, then definitely check out my other video after this. In that video, I share with you some Asian skincare products that I love to use and could only find on Amazon. But for now, we're focusing on my vlogging finds on Amazon. One of the things that I've been wanting to get actually is a tripod, because I will show you right now what my camera setup looks like. You can see that my camera is literally just propped up on an Anko box, which is from, I think Anko is from IKEA, right? No, Kmart brand. And that is how my setup looks like. Desperately need a tripod, and finally I found one on Amazon. It does come with a 10-inch selfie ring light with a 50-inch extendable tripod stand, and it has also a flexible phone holder for live streaming / makeup. So really ideal for vloggers. There were a few tripods that I was looking at, but this one had the better reviews out of most of them. But it came in this box that says UB size. I ordered it last week. No, it's Thursday. I think it was Thursday, and today is Wednesday, so I got it already. So it has a little box inside here. So this little box has this is the cell phone holder, the flexible cell phone holder. It allows you to tilt your phone in different ways. An adapter for, I guess, charging the lights. And also a camera mount for the tripod. Aside from that, I think we have here the actual tripod. I actually like that it comes in this little bag because it makes it easier to travel with. So say if I do decide to bring it with me on my travels, if I want to film something, a sit down video somewhere, or maybe take some photos that I will be needing a tripod for, then this travel bag becomes handy. Oh, I'm so glad that it's black, because in the listing, yeah, it was gold. I don't remember that I was given an option to choose. This is really making me happy. I prefer just neutral colored equipment anyway. So this is what it looks like, and you open it and you have these locks that will extend the legs. This is really good because if I want to prop it up on the floor, then there's enough legs for it to just stand really high. There's a third one still that I haven't opened, but also I think one of the reasons why I got this was it said that I could easily also just stand this on a table, so that part just goes up, and yeah. So I think it looks decent. It looks like it's sturdy enough. It is a bit thinner than what I thought it would be, but for the price, I'm not mad about it. This knob here allows you to turn it around like that. And with this handle, this is how you are able to move the holder up and down. So I'm pretty happy with this. Tripod is a check. Wala ata siyang manual. Ay, ito. So it does come with a manual, but I'm a person who just doesn't like reading manuals. I don't know if anyone's the same, but I'm just like a figure it out type person. So this remote will help you record videos when you have your camera propped up on the tripod, and if you want to do those TikTok dances, I don't know, I can't do it. Yeah, this will help you And lastly, like I said, this kit also comes with a 10-inch ring light. So I assume this square box is the ring light. So it's not that big, but I think it's just enough for what I need. And also we don't have that much room in this office anyway, in this office room anyway. I've been wanting a ring light, but have been umming and ahhing about it if I need it. You have no idea how many videos I've tried to film at night that never made it to YouTube just because the lighting was really bad and audio was bad, and I was just not happy with it. So you know what, this year let's make it happen, and I hope you all support me. Oh, that is nice. Okay, this set is made for traveling. They make it easy for you to bring the whole kit around. So this is the ring light, and then again, instructions. You know what? Let's set it up right now. Let's do it. So it comes with instructions as well for if you want to set up the ring light with your phone. The phone holder the phone holder really bends. I was wondering how it was gonna happen. And then what do I need to do? I need to put this on top here. So ganon. Slide. And then fasten the screw. You just put it through. I love it. I feel so professional. And because the plug isn't Aussie, I need to use my one, which is like this. Yun lang. It just didn't come with an Aussie plug, but otherwise it would work if I was in the Philippines. Let's try it. We will try it on my phone and I will record a video. I'm so scared with tripods sometimes because I feel like I don't lock them well enough. Anyway, the cord comes with a switch that you might not be able to see, but I will try. Ooh. Girlfriend! It's very bright. I'm gonna overlay a video. I'm gonna do it on my phone just for comparison. So this is a light test, and this is without a light and with a light. Oh, yes, girl. Yes. And now meron ako ng parang ring light eyes. This makes me happy. And then I think you can also turn it down. Yes, that is turning it down. And then you have a button that turns it up also. This is the brightest. So it looks like it's really good naman for the price that it is. Obviously it's 10 inches, so it's not the big one that will really, you know, blow up your face, like really smoothen your face. But to start off with, it's a good starter kit. You get the complete set for only $62.99, and I will link everything down below as well. Now let me try and see if I can record a video using the button. So I will be connecting it to my phone. So it does already come with batteries. So first you need to switch on the thing at the side, and you will get this parang Bluetooth light. You just need to pair your Bluetooth device. Now I see the UV size, and that should be good, and I will try to go to my camera and see if it will record the video. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it did! I just clicked it. Ang galing. Okay, it works. I'm happy, it works. So this whole set, I approve, I recommend, I will link it below. Up next for my vlogging finds on Amazon is this Boya Dual Omnidirectional Lavalier mic. My audio can sometimes be bad. Like in this room it's a bit echoey, and if it's just me talking it's fine, but if I have the doors closed or if I have the windows open or if I have the fan on, and sometimes I want the fan on because it's summer and sobrang init, the audio gets bad. So I did a little bit of research, and it seems like this is one of the popular affordable microphones. If you're just starting out on YouTube, it's a good buy. And when I saw this on Amazon, this retailed for $40.99 Australian dollars. The reason that I got this, apart from it being within my budget and also being one of the more recommended cheaper mics out there is because the other model is just a single microphone, but I wanted one that came with two, so that just in case I need to record with someone, not that I've ever collaborated with anyone just yet, but if you want to collab, now we can, and I also have a setup now. So it comes in this, and all of these things came out of that bag. So one of the reviews that was on the listing was to buy a spare battery because it only comes with one battery. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Maybe after this I won't have to shout anymore. Because I kind of shout. I try to really speak clearly and towards the camera. So I'm just gonna try and set this up and I can show you the difference or let you hear the difference. So just take note that this is how I sound without the microphone. Okay, and this is how it sounds like with the microphone on me. I've put through the microphone under my shirt and clipped it onto my shirt. And if you notice, it's a little bit of a different setup right now because as I was checking the old recording before, I realized that my camera was then out of focus. So now I have to refilm it. But here I am demoing the audio with the new Boya microphone that I got. I think in terms of like microphone placement, it does obviously sound better if it's directly in front of me, like in front of my mouth. But we're not gonna do that because that looks weird and it's not meant to be like that. But I think it does take out the echoey sound whenever I film in this room. And so right now, let me just test it with the fan on, which I won't be able to hear the results of until after I stop recording. But let's do it. All right, so now I have the fan on, and it is actually quite close to where the microphone is because the fan's just right here at the bottom next to me. And yeah, let me just switch that back off and just be safe. Okay, so overall, in terms of what I think about the purchases that I've made through Amazon, I do think they help me with my YouTube videos, and I think they are a good buy to start off with. If you're someone who wants to improve your videos or you just want to just have better quality audio or lighting. I am particularly impressed with the lighting and tripod set that I got. I am also pretty pleased that I finally got myself a microphone because it has been bugging me how a lot of my videos are echoey, and I'm pretty just thankful that you guys don't comment about it or just nice about it. But from here on out, expect that my videos are just gonna be a notch higher, better than my old ones, and hopefully you will be coming back for more. So that is it for my Amazon vlogging finds. Now, if you found that helpful, please give this video a thumbs up to support my channel, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. If you have other recommendations for vlogging equipment that you think I should try out, or ones that you have loved yourself, then leave them down in the comment section below. Again, my name is Megan, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!